Hey there, it's Tom Corson-Knowles, #1 best-selling author of Email Marketing Mastery and founder of TCK Publishing. In this video, I'm going to show you how to build your website like a pro so you can grow your business and attract more fans and readers. Now, why is having a website so important? Whether you're an author, artist, entrepreneur, or business professional, having a website is mandatory if you want to be seen as a professional. Do you know what the very first thing most customers will ask you? They're going to say, hey, what's your website? And if you don't have a professional website of your own ready to show them, they're going to think you're an amateur, that you don't really know what you're doing, that you're not a real professional, and that you're probably not the best person for them to give money to because it's 2017, right? Everyone who's a professional, they have a website. Now, as my grandma would say, having a website is necessary, but not sufficient for success today. You see, more than half, that's over 51% of all purchases made today in the US are made online. So you have to have a website, right? But if your website doesn't look professional and doesn't bring in new customers and readers, what's the point, right? It's not fulfilling its function if it's not actually helping you grow your business and attract more fans. You can't just throw up any old website and expect it to work out for you. Your website has to be designed from day one to meet your goals. And you have to be able to edit your website anytime you want, quickly and easily, without having to pay $100 an hour for a web designer to make every single change for you. I mean, imagine, I know a lot of folks in the situation where they paid to have this nice website designed for them, but if they want to change, even one word, fix one typo on the homepage, they have to send an email to their web designer, they have to pay that web designer $100 an hour, and they have to wait for that designer to go in, to log into the website, and to change that for them on their website every single time, right? And that is not how you maintain a great website by having to pay for every single change. You need something you can manage quickly and easily on your own, or hire someone on your team to manage for you at a much, much, much less expensive rate. And that's why I am so excited about my new course. It's called How to Build Your Website Like a Pro. Now, How to Build Your Website Like a Pro is a step-by-step video training course where I show you exactly where to click and what to do to build your own professional website that makes you money every single month. You see, I created this course because it took me more than 7 years to figure out how to build my own website that makes me money every single month. And I don't know how you feel about it, but 7 years was an incredibly long time for me to be trying to figure out all this web stuff on my own. And it not only did it take me a ton of time, it cost me a lot of money as well. In fact, I got so discouraged at one point after trying to build my website for so many years and trying to figure it out on my own that I finally hired a web design firm to build a website for me, and it cost $8,000. And I bet you can guess what happened next. Right? You see, I found out I got ripped off, right? I found out I got ripped off when I was left with a half-built website that didn't even work as promised, right? So $8,000 later, I had half a website and I was stuck. I didn't know what to do. Now, I don't want you to have to go through a horrible, horrible experience like that. Now, the good news is that experience forced me to finally sit down and learn everything I could about building my own profitable website so that I would never again be taken advantage of by a web designer like that. And now I want to share with you everything I have learned about building a profitable website for less than $100. That's right, you can have a profitable website up and running for less than the cost of a nice dinner. And if you're not technologically savvy, don't worry. I've got your back. I'm not technologically savvy either. In fact, to this day, I still have no idea how to program. I don't know how to write code, and I don't know how to do graphic design. And the good news is you don't need to know how to do any of that. You see, what I discovered was that there's a powerful free set of tools out there that do all of the hard work for you to build and design your website and maintain your website on a regular basis. And do you want to know what the coolest part is? You can have your entire website up and running for less than $100 in less than 2 hours. It doesn't have to take a long time. Now, I know that sounds like a big promise because it is a big promise, but it's absolutely true. You see, this process I'm going to share with you in the course is the exact same process I've used to build this very website you're on right now. It's the same process I use every time I build a new website for any of my businesses. And I'm going to teach you everything I know about building profitable websites from the ground up so you can get the exact same results. And yes, have your website built and working in less than 2 hours. So here's just a small taste of what you're going to learn in the course. I'm going to show you how to have your professional website up and running and 100% under your control in 2 hours flat. I'm going to show you how to customize and design your website like a pro using 100% free tools and images. You see, there's other folks out there who already programmed everything you need, and it's free, right? It's free for you to use if you know where to go to find it and add it to your site. And I'm going to show you how to start building your email list and getting your website ranking well in Google search results so you can start growing your business, your fan base, and your readership the right way from day one. And I'm going to teach you much, much more that I've learned along the way to building profitable websites that really work for you. Now, I created this course for everyone so you can quickly and easily create a website designed to help you build your fan base and grow your business. And I'm backing up all of these promises with my 60-day 100% money-back refund guarantee. If you are not absolutely thrilled with your new website after taking this course, just let me know, and we will provide you with a full refund, no questions asked. Why? Because I'm so certain this will work for you that I'm willing to take all the risk for you, let you try out the course, and build the website before you decide if it's really the right fit for you. So let's talk about how you can get started with your new website right now. You can get access to the entire How to Build Your Website Like a Pro training course today for just $197. That includes lifetime access to the entire How to Build Your Website Like a Pro course and all the updates and additional trainings I add to the course as things change with technology. You'll also get my ongoing support along with the course, where I will answer all of your questions and make sure to get you all the information you need to succeed. The information in this course is truly game-changing, and my students have been raving about it. You can see many of the testimonials from happy students right here on this page. Now, if you're ready to get started, just click the button below this video, and you'll get access to the entire course for just $197. If you're serious about building a professional website that makes you money, you owe it to yourself to get educated and get the training you need to succeed. This is your opportunity to say goodbye once and for all to your old life without having a website helping you attract more readers, fans, and customers on autopilot. And remember, you can try out everything included in this course and build your website today in less than 2 hours, backed by our 60-day money-back guarantee. So if you're ready to have your website up and running within 2 hours, just click the buy button below this video to get started. I can't wait to see your website go live for the first time, and I'm looking forward to working with you. Here's to your success. I'll see you inside the course.